Creating playlists on your channel is one of the best and fastest ways to get more views, more subscribers, more watch time, and grow your channel. And that is what top creators use to get ahead of the game. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create playlists on your channel, the best practices to use when creating a playlist, and I'll also share with you pro tips on how to actually use playlists the smart way to grow your channel faster. Now, before we dive into unlock the magic of playlists, make sure you give this video a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Now let's get started. You can find your playlist on your channel under the playlist tab. So as you can see, I have a few playlists right here, and if you look on the playlist, you can find the number of videos in each playlist. So playlist basically allows you to be able to group related videos together, and this has so many uses and importance. And one of the importance is that when you create playlist and group related videos together, it is going to help you to increase watch time. So when someone comes across a particular playlist, let's say this one for example, and they click on this playlist, they are likely going to watch all the 27 videos in this particular playlist. Hence, you're going to get more views and you're going to get more watch time. Another importance of creating playlists is that it improves SEO and discoverability. So just like videos, playlists too can rank high in search results. When you have very good titles and very good playlist descriptions, when people search for content on YouTube, your playlist can also appear there, and it is going to increase your discoverability. Alright, another importance is that it's going to keep viewers longer on your channel. So imagine somebody comes across your playlist and they find it useful, they watch, they are going to stay longer on your channel, and you're going to get more session time, and YouTube or the YouTube algorithm is going to reward you handsomely. YouTube wants people to stay longer on the YouTube app. So if people are finding your videos, your playlist, and they are staying longer on your channel, YouTube is going to reward you. Alright, I'm going to go ahead to teach you how you can create a playlist and how you can actually optimize the playlist, and some pro tips on how you can use the playlist to get more views and grow your channel faster. So we're going to go to the top right corner and click on our profile, and then click on YouTube Studio. So as you can see, it will bring us to our dashboard. So if you want to create a playlist, just simply click on create at the top right corner here, then select the new playlist. So click on new playlist, and it is going to bring this pop-up right here. So as you can see, you can give the title of the playlist, you can give some description, visibility and sort order, and then you can add videos. So let's say that the playlist title is going to be YouTube growth tips, and then we're going to say how to grow your Alright, so we're going to use this for example. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can generate better playlist titles and descriptions to increase or improve your SEO and discoverability. Alright, so at the bottom here, you have the visibility. You can actually set your playlist to public. You can set it to private so that it is just private to only you. You can also set it to unlisted. This one is not private, but people will need the link before they can be able to access the playlist. Alright, so you also have the sort order, so you can sort your videos in the playlist by newest, oldest, most popular, and others. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and click on add videos here, and we're going to add some videos to the playlist. So let's simply just select this one, and let's just select this one. Then click on done at the bottom right corner, and cross check everything. Once it's okay, then click on create at the bottom right corner here, and as you can see, the playlist has been created and we have 2 videos in there, and you have the details here, so you can edit it if you want to change your mind, you want to change the title or description or any other thing here. So if you go to content here for example, and you click on playlist, you can find the playlist we just created right here. You can actually edit it by clicking on the details. Okay, and then you can, let's go back You can also click on these options right here and you can delete it if you like. You can also get the shareable link and you can share it on your social media, your comments, and other places. And if you go back to our channel, as you can see, this is the playlist we just created. So now that we have learned how to create a playlist, I'm going to go ahead to share with you some useful tips on how you can use playlists to get more views and grow your channel. First of all, when you are creating a playlist, make sure the title and the description of the playlist is keyword rich and SEO packed. For example, if you want to create a playlist on how to edit in CapCut, don't just say CapCut videos or CapCut tutorials. Make sure that the title and the description is full of SEO and keywords so that it can improve SEO and discoverability. When someone searches on YouTube, your playlist can even appear or rank high in the search results. So you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a better title and description for your playlist. So for example, I say I want to create a playlist on YouTube about how to edit on CapCut. Generate strong and keyword rich title and SEO packed description for the playlist. And as you can see, it has generated very nice and better title and description. You can see it says CapCut Masterclass, complete video editing tutorials for beginners to pro. So as you can see, this contains a lot of keywords, and look at the description it has given. It contains a lot of keywords and SEO. So make sure you include these things in your title and description when you are creating your playlist. Another pro tip to use playlists to get more views and grow your channel is to link your playlist in your video description, your comments, your end screens, your cards, and so on, even on other social media platforms. So if you look at this video description, you realize that I have one playlist linked here, which is YouTube growth tips. And if you go down and check the comments, you realize that I said what? Watch this next, and I put the link of a playlist right here. I also make sure that I add a playlist on the end screen, and also I add playlist cards. So you can also even share your playlist links to other social media platforms like WhatsApp and others. Another pro tip to use playlists to get more views and grow your channel is to promote your playlist links instead of single video links. So make sure whenever you are promoting your videos, don't promote single video links. Always share playlist links. Even if someone asks you for a video, make sure that that video is contained in a particular playlist and share the link of the playlist to the person. The person might watch other videos in that particular playlist. So make sure you always promote your playlist links in your video description, in your comments, on your end screen, on your cards. Make sure you always add or promote playlist links. That way people will find and watch more of your videos, and you're going to get more views, more watch time, and you're going to grow your channel faster. Try creating your first playlist today and watch your channel grow faster. Like this video, share with us your playlist idea in the comment section down below, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.